Hey guys, I'm Shaizor here from Techno Unboxing, and today I'll be doing Redmi 6A water test. This phone comes with 5.45 inches HD plus display with an aspect ratio of 18:9. It has a resolution of 1440 by 720 pixel. Redmi 6A comes with Helio A22 processor, and this is a 2 GB of RAM with 16 GB of internal storage variant, and this is the blue color. On the back, it has a single 13 megapixel camera with an aperture of f2.2. Redmi 6A is not water resistant, so let's see if it can survive my water test. And as you can see, the phone is fully working. So let's get started. Now let's put this phone in. And now I'm gonna start the timer and start filling up the water. And as you can see, the phone is now completely in water. I will let this phone in the water for 1 minute. And this phone is not responding to the touches in the water. It shows the headphone is connected because the water went inside the headphone jack. Let's flip this phone. Here we have the speaker on the back. Flip it back again, and the display is still on, and we can also see some color effects in the display. And the display is still not responding to the touches. Now it's been 1 minute, so let's stop the timer and take the phone out. So this phone have been in the water for 1 minute. The water didn't went inside the camera. So let's clean the phone and let's see if the phone still works. And yes, the phone is working. And as you can see, the phone is now very responsive to the touch. It still shows the headphone is connected because there is still some water in the headphone jack. Let's check the camera. And it takes photos with good details and contrast. Let's check the face unlock. And after adding my face, the phone unlocks without any problem. And it doesn't have fingerprint sensor on the back. The phone also charges the battery without any problem. The volume rockers are also working. Hey guys, I'm Shaizor here from Techno Unboxing, and today I'm going to be doing OnePlus 6T water test. So before we get started, the speaker is working without any issues, and it sounds clear. So yeah, the Redmi 6A survived my water test. Thanks for watching the video, I hope you really enjoyed. For more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media. The links will be in the description below.